So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this remove element important coding interview question. In this problem, we are given an array and a value. We need to remove all occurrence of that value in place without using extra space, right? And the best part is we will solve this using the two pointers technique, and in big of and time complexity is big of n, and space complexity is big of 1, right? Space. So first we need to talk about problem statement, right? So let's understand the problem with an example. Like here is a suppose nums 1 1 1 2 2 3 1 1 2 3 4, and it our value equals to 1. So we need to remove all ones from the array. So the final array should looks like 2 3 4, look like, right? Okay. And we return the length which is 3, because there is a here is a 3 length of array 2 3 4. So we need to return, right? So let's start the video. So now the question is how to do now the question is how do we do this without using extra space. So we use something like something called two pointers approach, right? So one pointer I will traverse the whole array, right? And another pointer is k will track where to place valid elements, right? So basically it's the element is not equal to well. If the element is not equal to well, so we keep it. And if the element is equal to well, so we skip it, right? Simple. Let's start to write the code. So here is our function definition, right? Here is our function definition. So it takes an array, nums and integer well. So and here we initialize a variable k, right? Here we initialize a variable k, right? And k represent the index where we will place the next valid elements, right? It's also represent the final length of the array after removal, right? And now we run our loop from 0 to -1, right? And so we write a for loop. So for int, right, int I equals to 0, and sorry for that, our I is greater than what, I is less than what, nums dot length, right? I plus plus, right? And here now we check if the current element is not equal to the value, so we want to remove, right? So if our nums of I, right, nums of I is not equal to kiske, it's not equal to well, so we just want to remove, right? So how we remove this? uh, then it means that then we copy the element to index k, right? So nums of k equals to nums of I, right? Now so this means we are keeping the element, and we are shifting valid elements to the front, right? And just here we are k plus plus y, which is then we increment k. So next valid element will be placed at the next position, right? And if the element is equal to well, so we simply skip it, no capping, no increment, just move on, right? And now finally we return sorry return k, right? So this is the new length of the array. Only first k element are valid, right? Okay, so we need to run this. So just click on it, run button, and check it out. Yeah, it's perfectly work, and submit. Right. So yeah, our code is perfectly work. And if you want any query, so you can ask me, right? Okay, so if you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And if you want more DSA problem explained in this simple way, so let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.